Evening. This is John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Roniel. Roniel has been a trader with us from the 26th of October 2020 up until this present day of 11th of February 2021. And as you can see, this trader's gained plus 9.945% with a daily gain of 0.08% and a monthly gain of 2.53% with a drawdown of 5.81% on average. But let's look at this trader's statistics and see how the journey's been in achieving 10%. And as we can see this trader's had a slight drawdown, just still within the level because you see the trader's got a personal equity of minus 10%. That's the allowable drawdown. But at any given time, you can see this trader's maintain that level. And quite consistently, this trader's account's grown quite steadily. And that's very good and very impressive. So let's scroll down and see how far this trader's doing in terms of trades. So look at the summary of this trader. We can see what's gone on. And as we can see, the equity curve of 4.9% minus 1.4%. You can see we're still minus 2.68%. By any given time, we didn't touch 10%. And you see we came out of the hole in this middle of December. We dropped back down January. Can you see 26 where most people hit their target? This trader then went on to hit the target just a day, just two days ago, I believe. Where are we? Yeah, on the 9th of February, 2 days ago, this trader hit 10%. So this trader's done well, and this trader's had 148 trades. So what you get to understand with our traders, some of them hit out their 10% within 4 weeks, and some traders hit their 10% within months. So it's not really about the time frame or how long or how short. It's all about preserving the balance, good discipline, good money management, good trading skills, a clear strategy, a trading plan, and the mindset to maintain the balance because trading can be a very scary place to be if you don't know what you're doing and you're having consecutive losses because routine equals results, preparation is key to success, and the more successful you are with your little trades, you get more confident going forward. So let's see what trades has helped this trader hit the target. This trader's had quite a few pairs the trader's been playing with all the Aussie pairs from the CAD to the Swiss franc to the Japanese yen to the New Zealand dollar yen, and we can see all the trades that have been taken. But let's find what pairs have given this trader the biggest edge, and that comes from the pound New Zealand dollar, which is $303.60, and we have the pound Swiss franc and the pound CAD. These are very big pairs that I've seen on the market. And from my personal experience, this trader, I'll have to compliment this trader, Roniel. Because Roniel is a very skilled trader in the sense that diversification and risk management. Because this trader has actually traded some hard pairs, but at the same time, he's diversified his risk. He's got the bulk of his 10% on the pound Swiss franc and the pound New Zealand dollar. But can you see the trader has built up other positions on other little pairs, cross pairs, euro pairs, and Kiwi pairs. So this trader is very skilled, and we have to take something on board from this, a key takeaway. It's not about being right or wrong. It's all about the pips because the pips have value based on your lot sizes, and that's what helps you hit your 10%. So 145 trades are it's quite a lot, but never mind the amount of trades, the quantity. Let's look at the quality and let's look at the result. At the end of the day, this trader fulfilled all our risk parameters and made profit. So in January alone, although this trader's had wins and losses, the trader still made 3.74% and currently in February 1.24%. So this trader now is managing 30,000 US dollars and this trader's now in profit still by $1,349.82. And at the same time now, let's look at a few of these trades in depth. So I'm just going to look at the current one here. Look at the last level, the beginning of the journey. Can you see 0.08, 0.16? This trader's really been very cautious, building up his equity slowly. Slowly and surely he got there, with a few losses as well. This trader is still clearly on that path of success. So we can't take anything negative away from this trader, only positivity because we have a lot of reds and we have a lot of greens, but overall we're still seeing profit. So what can I recommend and what can I say to this trader moving forward? Any recommendations? I can recommend this trader carries on with his the strategy he's got in place. Maintain discipline. Always have a routine in place with a trading plan because routine brings results, results bring pips, and pips brings confidence. The more confident you are with consistent gains, the faster and easier your job will be as a trader, and you scale up going on to managing bigger funds and maintaining that risk. Risk management is a unique skill. It's either you have it or you don't. But if you don't have it, you can learn how to build up that tolerance for managing risk because low risk, high reward trades will always benefit you in the long run. As I always tell my traders on the Hidden Talents program, be a master of risk first and the results come automatically. It's just as simple as that. Roniel, I wish you all the best. Carry on doing what you're doing, but take a few of my tips on board. Focus on what you know best, these pairs, and try and be much more selective of your trades. When you cut your losses short, try and avoid the big drawdowns, keep your lot sizes consistent, and this balance you've got of aggressive trades with a diversified balance of FX pairs of majors and cross pairs is a perfect combination to success. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to reviewing your account on the next level, which is 60,000 US dollars.